Mitchell, sumang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jabar narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ang iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Padre.
Buong puso mo ba siyang tinanggap bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Padre.
I promise to be kind to all people who come across. I promise not to be boastful of our love or about our accomplishments. I promise not to be quick to anger, but to think before I speak and act.
Jabar, sumang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Mitchell narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Buong puso ba ang pagkaloob mo sa kanya ang iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Padre. I promise not to keep a record of wrongs, but to always keep the happy memories alive. With every beat of my heart, I will love you. This is my solemn vow for you, Michelle Grisha. Through God, our love will never fail.
Flashes flicker on your face.
Nanette, every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. I'm so blessed to have you as my partner. You're always there for me in good times and in bad. You're my strength, the wind beneath my wings. I just want you to know, whether you like it or not, ako ang aakay sa'yo pagtanda natin kasi may forever.
No way to say that in my heart. You are the spark that lights up the dark.
Jabar, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang pagparito upang makisang dibdib si Mitchell na iyong pagkamahalin, paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
You got the light, I'm shining brighter. When I'm with you, the world is lost. When I'm with you, the fireworks go off.
As we go along to our new chapter of life, I promise to stand by you and uplift you, so that through our union we can accomplish more than we could alone. I promise to work at our love and always make our priority in my life.
Words to say just how I feel.
Mitchell, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makisang dibdib si Jabar na iyong pagkamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
You got the flame, you got the fire. You got the love to live me.
Trisha, suot mo ang singsing na to bilang tanda ng aking pagmamahal at katapatan sa iyo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo.
When I'm with you, the time just goes. You got the love to lift me higher. When I'm with you, the world is lost. When I'm with you, the fireworks go off.
God will be the center of this relationship. Nothing can separate us. There will be no other home but in your arms. We made it through 10 wonderful years, Nanette. We'll be in each other's arms forever. Love you.